Yo, what up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome back to a new Keydrop video. Today we have 1.8k dollars on the balance, and in this video guys I'll try with some case opening, some case battles and some upgrades on Keydrop. So before I start with this session, if you are looking for the absolutely best promo code on Keydrop, 10% deposit bonus and free 50 cents for newcomers, let's join under my promo code Razor Affiliate. How to join? First things first, you need to do is to create an account on Keydrop. For example, you can connect your Steam account. When did you create an account, you need to press on use code and enter promo code Razor Affiliate in a promo code box and press on apply. Also, you can press on deposit at top right corner and you can press on promo code and you can enter Razor Affiliate here. After that, press on apply. On left hand side you can find all these deposit methods. You can deposit by Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, PayPal, skins and more. Also on Keydrop you can claim some free rewards guys. You just need to press on get free. You can scroll down and you can find some tasks that you can complete and you can earn some points, which is really cool guys. For example, you can follow Keydrop on Twitter and you can earn 12 points. You can follow Keydrop on Instagram and you can earn 19 points. Just scroll down and find all tasks. With these golds you can open some cases. You just need to press on your gold balance and as you can see you can open a lot of cases. I have 48k on my balance and I will open emerald cut case. Let's open one emerald cut case and let's see, can we hit something good at start? Water elemental Glock. $5 for free guys, which is really cool, so let's check it out. Also you can press on daily cases guys and you can open free daily cases. You can scroll down and you can find how to level up your account. Easy steps guys. I will open my level 1 case right now and I got voucher. And every month on Keydrop you can find new event guys. You just need to press on join event. You can check this one, Chess Empire event. There you can find how to claim this EP. You need to open limited time event cases to get a bonus and event points, or you can refill guys and you can earn these points, which is really cool. Scroll down and you can find how much points you can earn. For $5 refill you can get 100 EP. For $50 deposit you can earn 500 EP and more. Also you can press on event pass guys and as you can see you can claim some free rewards. You can buy this premium pass guys and you can get better rewards. Next thing I want to show you is chessboard guys, where you can pick your cards and you can win something good. I have 20k points, so I will pick this one. Okay, M4, let's pick one more. Tech 9. Alright, close to chessboard you can press on piece to piece and as you can see click on the cards to find two identical chess pieces. A matching pair will get you a free reward, so I will choose this one. Okay, two identical cards and I got this Glock guys, which is really cool. Next to piece you can press on skins gambit guys and you can exchange your event points for some skins. Minimum is 100 points, so I will exchange 10k points and let's see what we get. Desert Eagle, 10 bucks. That's nice. And last but not the least, you can press on leaderboard guys and you can find some rewards that you can claim at the end of the event, which is really cool, so let's check it out. Okay, this video I'll start with some case battles guys. I have 1.8k dollars on my balance. We'll start this session with event cases. Let's try with this French defense 2 cases and let's do tower 2 cases. $319 cost this case battle and wish me luck. Let's wait a couple of seconds to see if anybody join us. If nobody join us guys, Keydrop has great options that you can play with bot, which is really cool if you're not feeling to wait. So let's see. Okay, nobody joining, so okay, let's call bot Waffle guys. Let's try with bot Waffle this case battle and let's see, can we make profit at start. First pool. Alright, Vulcan AK, $105. It's battles card condition, but never mind. We are not in the lead. Fuck. Okay, it will be first lose. I think we need to hit one knife or something. Maybe on the last one. Okay, we lost this one definitely. But never mind, let's recreate this one and let's call Bot Waffle again. Okay, let's see, I'll play top 3 in these battles with Bot Waffle. So let's see, first one we lost. Let's see, second one. And we'll create one more battle with Bot Waffle. Come on, one knife, bro, one knife. We are in the lead. Last 2 cases, tower cases, one knife, bro, we need one knife. I have 150, but 123. Okay, last one is a win. No, we lost by $10. Like, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Okay, let's create same one and let's call Bot Waffle again. Please, bro, can we win this one? You can't win 3 in a row, definitely. Definitely you can win 3 in a row. First pull, Wildfire AVP, $66. Well worn. Okay, we are in the lead, 33 bucks. Tower cases, one knife or gloves we need, 105. Okay, last case, something. Okay, we won this one, 225, but that's not profit, bro. That's not fucking profit. $916 left on my balance. Let's do some more battles. Can we join somebody? As you can see, guys, site is so active, you can find a lot of case battles. But let's create my own case battle. Let's do Katana 2 cases. Let's do Lure 1 case, Serpent 1 case, and maybe Knife case. No knives case. $804 cost this case battle, bro. It will be huge profit if we win this one, but who knows? Let's see. Okay, let's call Bot Tom. Bot Tom this time, bro. Please let me win this one. I need massive profit. $804 cost this battle. First pull, Print Stream USP, which is really bad. Katana case, second one. Okay, this AVP 28 only. Fuck that shit. Lure case. Okay, gloves, it's better condition, definitely. Yep. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Serpent, give me knife. Peror M4. Bro, one huge knife we need. Okay, it's win, definitely. But 955, bro. That's low profit, to be honest. Let's do some upgrades, guys. I have a lot of skins for upgrade. Let's try with these cheap skins first. Let's try to hit 5x, 17% cookery knife. Can we hit? Okay, we can't. First one. Let's try with 2x now. Let's try to hit this Fire Serpent AK, 41%. Let's try with left side. Please, bro. No, what the fuck, bro? 41%. Holy shit. Okay, we'll do all in 2x. Let's try with this Wise Glows. Right side triangle display. Please, bro. Please. Please. Okay, that's nice hit, to be honest. Really good, bro. Now we can try with 1.5x. Oh, Doppler Karambit, 57%. Bro, last upgrade, please. The most beautiful knife in the game. Karambit Doppler. Can we hit? Alright, that's nice hit. We'll keep this knife for redraw, guys. I did money back in this video, which was really cool, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, you can always leave a like. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Twitter, Razor Affiliate. I doing daily giveaways, guys. You can follow me on my Kick, Razor Affiliate, for a daily live stream, summer contents, and the most important thing, you can join on Keydrop under my promo code Razor Affiliate, and you can claim 10% deposit bonus and free 50 cents for newcomers. You can check link down below in description, or you can check first pinned comment. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.